Good afternoon. Our topic is maintenance and repair. Safe emergency repair methods carrying out safety emergency, temporary repairs. Introduction to safe emergency repairs. First, we have engine room systems are critical. These include fuel, lube oil, and cooling systems that keep engines and machinery running. Second, we have failures at sea can be risky. A malfunction can lead to overheating engine stoppage or fire hazards. Third, emergency repairs restores function. Temporary solution help regain operation until full repairs are possible. Fourth, safety and fast response are key. Quick correct action reduce the risk of further damage or danger. Also, we have general repairs of emergency repairs. First, we have use lockout or tag out, or known as LOTO or LOTO. Ensures machinery is turned off and isolated before repair. Second, wear proper PPE. Protects crew from burns, chemicals, and other hazards. Third, isolate affected system. Shut off flow or pressure to make it safe for repair. Fourth, we have identify the problem clearly. Know what's wrong. Maybe it could be leak or blockage or many more. To act correctly. Fifth, contain leakage or spills. Prevent pollution on fire risk. 6. We have use available tools temporarily fix. Make safe short-term repairs using what's on board. We have the last one. Inform chief engineer and log it. Maintain communication and proper documentation for further repairs. Also, we have lube oil system, common issues and emergency repairs. First, leaks and pipes or gaskets can cause pressure drops and oil loss. Clogged filter or fuel pumps lead to poor lubrication and potential engine damage. Third, cooler issues cause overheating. A filled cooler can raise oil temperature quickly. Fourth, clamp leaks with hose and rubber. Provides a fast fix to stop oil loss. Fifth, bypass blocked filter. Ensures oil keeps circulating. 6. Use emergency oil pumps. Keep system running when main pumps fails. And last one, we have isolate faulty cooler. Prevent overheating while minimizing engine stress. Also, we have seawater cooling system and their common issues and emergency repairs. Broken valves or strains disrupt water intake and cooling flows. Second, leak it pipe or cooler tubes. Reduce cooling efficiency and can flood space. Third, intake block water flow. Reduce cooling and rise engine temperature. Fourth, use plugs or soft patches. Seal leakage quickly using available materials. And fifth, fit blank flange on faulty valve. Isolate leaks at source. 6. Remove airlocks via vents. Or store full cooling flow. And last one, we have bypass damage cooler. Prevent overheating and allow limited operation.
Tools and materials used in emergency repairs. In the event of sudden equipment failure or system leakage, having the right tools is essential for quick response. Key emergency repair materials include pipe and hose clamps used to stop leaks on damaged lines, rubber sheets and soft patches, provide a temporary cell for holes or cracks, and wooden plugs and sealing compounds useful for blocking holes in collars or pipes. Spare flanges and gaskets allow quick replacement of damaged connectors, and transfer pumps and hand tools assist in moving fluids and performing mechanical work. And last, blankets and gloves ensure safety, especially during repairs involving heat or flammable materials. So these tools are critical for containing issues before they escalate, buying time until a permanent repair can be made. Preventive maintenance to avoid emergencies. So prevention is always better than cure. Regular maintenance helps avoid breakdowns and emergencies. Key practices include routine checks for damage, identifying and addressing early signs of wear before they lead to failure. And second is replacing worn hoses and gaskets. Prevents unexpected ruptures or leaks during operation. And cleaning filters weekly. So ensure systems stay free from debris that can cause clogs or damage. And maintaining spare part stock. Reduce downtime by ensuring quick availability of replacement parts. And last, keeping tools organized and crew trained. Enable fast, safe responses during emergencies, especially under pressure. So by following these steps, you significantly reduce the risk of operational disruptions. So common troubles and temporary fixes. So here are examples of typically onboard problems and quick fixes. So low oil system. So low pressure due to filter clogs or pump issues. So quick fix. Bypass the filter or switch to backup pump. And second, fuel oil system. Pipe leakage causes by corrosion or vibration. So quick fix. So clamp with rubber sheet and metal strap. And third is seawater system. So collar tubes leaks from corrosion or damage. So quick fix. So plug or isolate the leaking collar. And last, freshwater system. So burst hoses from aging or overpressure. Quick fix, wrap or replace with rubber tape. So these solutions are meant to stabilize the situation temporarily until a permanent repair is possible. Documentation and reporting after emergency repairs. So following an emergency repair, proper documentation and reporting are crucial for long-term system integrity. So steps include, first, recording the issue and solution. So maintain a complete maintenance history. And second, notifying the chief engineer. So ensure leadership is informed and can plan further action. And third, requesting a permanent repair. So once parts or condition permit, a full fix must be scheduled. And fourth, updating maintenance logs. So tracks where trends and recurring problems. And last, planning follow-ups in part or dry dock. Confirms the system's long-term reliability is fully restored. So accurate records and structured follow-up ensure the emergency solutions don't become permanent rest.